There is a reason why woodworking is one of the oldest professions in the world. Wood is warm and natural, and people will always pay a premium for it. But the days of using just a hammer and chisel to make a living are gone. To compete in the modern market, you need speed and precision. You need machines that can turn a rough board into a finished product before your coffee gets cold. Today we are looking at 10 woodworking machines that fit in a home shop but produce factory quality results. Whether you are making custom furniture or tiny jewelry, these tools are your ticket to a six-figure side hustle. Let us make some sawdust. Number 10. Wood bead making machine. We are kicking off the list with a specialized tool that taps into the massive jewelry and craft market. The wood bead making machine. If you have ever tried to turn a perfect sphere by hand, you know it is nearly impossible. This machine solves that instantly. It is essentially a mini lathe dedicated solely to drilling and shaping wooden beads. You can grab a complete bead making lathe kit on AliExpress for $80. The price is incredibly low for what it does. You simply clamp a square piece of exotic wood into the chuck, and the machine spins it. You then use the specialized rounding tool to cut a perfect sphere in seconds. You can produce hundreds of beads a day from scraps of walnut or rosewood. By stringing these into prayer beads or chunky necklaces or car seat covers, you can sell them for 50 times the cost of the raw wood. Number 9. Oscillating spindle sander. Sanding is usually the most hated part of woodworking, but it is the step that separates amateurs from pros. When you are making curved items like cutting boards or toys or guitar bodies, a normal flat sander just destroys the shape. The oscillating spindle sander features a drum that spins and moves up and down simultaneously. This dual motion prevents burn marks and creates a glassy, smooth curve. The WEN model linked here is a bestseller on Amazon and costs $115. It is a small price to pay to save your hands from hours of manual rubbing. The machine sits on your benchtop and comes with different size drums to fit tight curves. If you plan to sell organic shaped charcuterie boards, which are huge right now, this machine is mandatory. It ensures your edges are professional and soft to the touch. Number 8. Desktop CNC router. For $145, you can hire a robot that never sleeps and never makes a mistake. The Genmitsu 3018 Prover is a desktop CNC router that carves wood based on digital designs. You can design a complex sign or a 3D relief carving on your computer and send the file to the machine. It will cut the wood with accuracy down to a fraction of a millimeter. This machine opens up the personalized gift market. You can carve family names into wooden signs or make intricate coasters or create parts for model airplanes. The learning curve is there, but the community support is huge. Once you dial it in, you can simply load a piece of wood and press start. The machine works while you do other things, allowing you to mass-produce custom items from your spare room. Number 7. Portable edge banding machine. Plywood and MDF are cheap and stable materials for building cabinets and shelves, but the raw edges look terrible. To make them look like solid wood, you need to apply edge banding. Doing this with an iron is slow and unreliable. A portable edge banding machine automates the process. It applies hot glue to the tape and presses it firmly onto the edge of the wood as you push it along. These handheld units are available on AliExpress for around $620. They feature a digital temperature control to handle different types of glue. If you want to start a business building custom closet organizers or kitchen cabinets, this tool is your secret weapon. It allows you to produce furniture that looks like it came from a high-end Italian factory using affordable sheet materials. Number 6. Benchtop thickness planer. Here is the secret to high profit margins. Buy rough lumber instead of finished boards. Rough cut lumber from a sawmill is dirt cheap, but it is warped and fuzzy. The Benchtop thickness planer is the machine that transforms that ugly wood into expensive smooth boards. You feed the wood in, and the spinning blades shave off the top layer, making it perfectly flat and parallel. This Craftsman model is a workhorse priced at $280. It pays for itself after just a few projects because of the money you save on materials. It also allows you to reclaim old barn wood, which is free, and turn it into trendy rustic furniture. Customers love the story of reclaimed wood, and this machine gives you the ability to process it efficiently. Number 5. Scroll saw. If you have patience and a steady hand, the scroll saw can build a business on its own. This machine uses a tiny hair-thin blade that moves up and down rapidly. It allows you to make incredibly tight turns and intricate cuts that no other saw can achieve. It is the standard tool for making wooden puzzles and Christmas ornaments and complex fretwork. The WEN variable speed scroll saw costs $100 on Amazon. It is quiet and safe, making it perfect for apartment dwellers. The business model here is detail. You can cut names out of wood for nursery decor or create multi-layered 3D wildlife scenes. These are items that cannot be mass-produced easily by big factories, so customers are willing to pay for your handiwork. Number 4. Benchtop Hollow Chisel Mortiser. Joinery is what makes furniture last for 100 years. The mortise and tenon joint is the gold standard, but cutting a square hole with a round drill bit is impossible. The hollow chisel mortiser uses a clever trick. A square chisel surrounds a drill bit. As you pull the handle, the drill removes the waste and the chisel squares the corners simultaneously. You can add this specialized machine to your shop for $300. It saves you hours of chiseling by hand. If you want to sell high-quality chairs or tables that do not wobble, this machine is essential. It tells your customers that you are building heirloom-quality furniture, not just screwing boards together. That distinction allows you to charge premium prices. Number 3. Diode Laser Engraver and Cutter. While the CNC router carves wood, the laser engraver burns it. The Xtool D1 Pro is a modern marvel that uses a powerful beam of light to engrave detailed photos or cut through thin wood. It is incredibly precise and leaves a dark contrasting mark that looks beautiful on light woods like maple or birch. This particular setup is priced around $320. It is one of the most versatile machines for a home business. You can buy cheap bamboo cutting boards and engrave wedding dates on them. You can cut out intricate Aryan shapes from thin plywood. You can even make custom wooden business cards. The machine is fast and clean and requires no physical clamping of the material. Number 2. Mini Wood Lathe. There is something hypnotic about watching a wood lathe work. It spins a block of wood at high speed while you shape it with handheld gouges. It is the only woodworking machine that feels like sculpting. A mini wood lathe is perfect for small, high-value items like pens and bottle stoppers and shaving brushes. The WEN variable speed model is a steal at $240. It takes up very little space on a workbench. The profit margins on turned items are legendary. A pen kit and a small block of wood might cost you $5, but a finished hand-turned wooden pen can sell for $40 or $50. It is a quick turnaround product that makes for excellent gifts. Number 1. Pocket Hole Jig Machine. We finish with the machine that builds speed. If you are building cabinetry or bookcases or storage units, you need to join boards fast. Pocket holes are the industry standard for quick and strong assembly. While you can use a small manual jig, this electric machine allows you to drill the hole just by pulling the handle. It is an investment at $180, but it changes your production speed immediately. You simply slide the wood in and pull the lever. The machine clamps the wood and drills the angled hole and releases it in 1 second. If you have an order for 10 bookshelves, this machine saves you hours of labor. It allows you to act like a production shop from your garage, cranking out solid wood furniture that is strong and profitable. Woodworking is one of the few hobbies that can pay for itself 100 times over. These 10 machines are your bridge between a hobbyist and a professional. They give you the speed to produce inventory and the precision to command high prices. Which one of these tools would be the first addition to your workshop? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video so we can keep bringing you tools that build wealth. I will see you in the next video.